Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today as I am talking about sunline, I am proceeding next in sunline as we talk about sunline in previous video also. So now we are proceeding. We have to see sunline. The sunline is also known as the sunline is also known by the name of success line, fame line and talent line. Sunline is itself sunline, so it is also denoted by success line, fame line and talent line. Before proceeding about the analysis of sunline, we have to proceed. Before proceeding, we have to see two things: condition of mount condition, they are sum, even or low. And second, we have to see the length of sunline and from where its sunline coming. So we will see two things before proceeding about the sunline analysis. And now we will proceed about the sunline analysis. So I will talk in this video about some gift plan for you. So you can see here what is the gift plan. We will choose some persons and we will do free astrology palmistry analysis. Some person chosen by the software. How we will choose? Person who are subscriber of my channel, number one term, and second term they regularly like and comment on our videos. And person, if you want to participate for free analysis of palmistry consulting, that you will choose if you write the comment on comment box #gift plan, then person who are fulfilling three terms, we will choose persons among this and we will do free palmistry consulting for some person, lucky person chosen by software, and we will contact that person and proceed accordingly, and free palmistry consulting we will do that lucky person. So now proceeding on our sunline. If a sunline coming from Jupiter mount, then what will be the result? If a sunline coming from the Jupiter mount, this type of line and up to sunline, but it should not be a circle, it should be a line. If it's a circle like this, then the result will be different. So it should be a line, it should be a horizontal line or little upward line like this. So what will be the result? This type of person will be will gain a spiritual upgradation in his life, and he will be acharya guru of a institute, of any spiritual institute. So and he can also be a lecturer or a good spiritual, and a Jyotish Acharya also, he can be a Jyotish Acharya. So this, and we will have to see the Jupiter mount, Sun mount and Mercury mount. It should be even or high. If these mounts are low, then this line will not be resulting. And second, if sunline is coming from Saturn mount, this type of person will be selfish and money minded man, and he will be a very, very, very professional. This type of person will see only money, he will not see a person, any person. He will be selfish and money minded person. So because Sun and Saturn are enemy planets and their thinking are different. Sun is a holy and good planet, but Saturn is not. It is a tamasic planet, is not a good planet. Good in wealth, but his thinking is tamasic pravritti. He is tamasic planet. So there is a thought difference between Sun and Saturn. So it's not a good line. Next line coming, sun line coming at sun mount itself. So it's a good line. If sun line coming from heart line or somewhere from downside, it's good line. This type of person will be in government job, and he will get name, fame, money, and if he this type of person will be a team leader. Where he work, he will be team head. So this line is good, and this type of person will be in government job, but before resulting, till result, we have to see Jupiter mount, Sun mount, and Mercury mount. It should be high or even. If these mounts are low, then this line will not be resulting. And next is sun line coming from Mercury mount. So what will be the result? This type of person will make much money in his life. He will be a businessman, good communication skill. This type of person will be a good speaker and get name, fame, and money in his life. This is a good line. Next sun line coming from Mars mount. If sun line is coming from Mars mount, so this type of person will be a defense officer, and he will be a self-made man. He will courageous man. This is also good. This type of person will be in defense, or this type of person can be a defense officer in his life. This is good line. Next, sun line coming from moon mount. What will be the result? This type of person will progress with the support of his wife, his mother, or his lover. So opposite sex person will support this type of man, and he will get success in his life. This is also good line. Next is Venus mount. Sorry, this is Venus. If sun line coming from Venus mount, so what will be the result? This type of line. This is also a good line. This type of person will get success in acting, art, music area, and like moon mount, this type of person will also get successful with the help of opposite sex person like mother, lover, or his wife. So this is also good line. Next line I am talking about a line, sun line coming from bracelet line. Sun line coming from bracelet line. This is very good line in palmistry. This we read this type of yog, Raj Yog. Very famous person. This type of person will get international name, fame, and money. And if this type of person have good Jupiter mount, good Sun mount, and good Mercury mount, means these mounts are high. So, and this person is concentrating on their study, so this type of person will be an IAS officer. Definitely he will be in IAS or PCS officer. Or if this type of person living in a small area like village, so he will be a village head. And if he is living in broad area and big area, and his mounts are very high, and some other yoga also there present, we have to analyze. So this type of person will be a MLA, MP, cabinet minister. This type of yoga will be happen. I have seen this type of yoga in a person, some person basically in a person palm, and I predicted that you will be an IAS officer. Please proceed in this direction. You have this type of yoga, you can be IAS officer, PCS officer. So very good yoga you have. As per my suggestion, I suggest you to proceed for this. And he said that I am thinking about it, but I not proceed in this way. So as per my direction, he proceed for IAS preparation, and after some time he come back and tell that now I am an IAS officer. So he proved by this yoga. I have seen this type of yoga in a person palm, that as I told you. So this is very, very, very good yoga. And if some lines are there, trying this Trishul is there, 3 branches are there, though. So this is very, very good yoga. He will be an international, name him Mani. So all about today. So I am again remembering you that subscribe my channel, like and comment on my videos, and write on comment box #gift plan. Then we will choose some person with this term, fulfilling this term, persons fulfilling this term, and we will choose some person from this with the help of software, and we will read free. We will do free palmistry consulting. We will contact this chosen lucky person and proceed accordingly. So please subscribe my channel, like and comment, and write on gift plan, write on for gift plan, write on comment box #gift plan. So this is all about today. Have a nice day. Take care. Good night. Bye bye.